awesome.
See it? Looks like a UFO, don't it?
Alien life forms.
Come here, come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on, we gotta have you running, you dope.
She knows she's on camera. Ah!
Biscuit! Barry! Come here, Bear! Come here, Bear! Come here, Bear!
Don't let her get by you.
I'm not!
Come here. Hey there. It fell off.
It fell off. Second configuration. Third configuration. There's a child screaming.
There's always a child screaming somewhere.
Somewhere men are laughing.
That guy on the bike laughed.
Yeah, bud.
He looked at it and said, yeah.
You don't have any more connectors?
Not with us. That looks cool.
Yeah.
See you, Bear. Get the side of her, Haley. The other side.
I got her, I got her. Go get a milk bone.
Here, come down here. Where's Heather? Look at Heather.
Bear!
Come on.
Bear! Look at the. Oh, she got these.
Bear, John. Jump. You getting the side of her?
Yeah.
Jump. Come on. Jump. Nope, man. I haven't teeth. There's something else.
Pussy Kentucky!
Bless my face.
Okay. You can't pick it up. So look at the Tron dog. You want to be a Tron doggy? Halloween.
Okay, Bear.
Hi, dog.
No more treat. Bear?
We also found a flag that was confiscated by Mr. Gregg.
Yeah, it's a cute little puppy, Barry. Bear, you have fun?
Oh, Desi, yes.
Good, man.
She did nod.
She was like, that milk bone was good, man.
So how do we keep them?
Freezer.
Really?
It's just a goof.
Who's a good girl?
Ooh, 3D.
Yeah, good girl.
You look like a jukebox.
Yeah.
What's up?